What up, fifth grade? Today is a classic black day, just because it feels like a classic black day. So today we're gonna do lesson 4.7, multiply decimals. Now, remember I taught you last time 4 different ways that we can multiply decimals. Today, I'm actually gonna be picking the traditional way, which is one of our methods that we had, and I'm gonna be doing everything that way. And if you do need to use one of the other strategies, please go back to that video. I'll put it at the end of this video so that way you can go back and look at them if you need to. And that way you can do the lesson. Okay, let's get started. It says, a male leopard seal is measured and has a length of 2.8 meters. A male elephant seal is about 1.5 times as long. What length is the male elephant seal? It says multiply 1.5 and 2.8. Remember, we are not going to deal with the steps that they give us. We're just going to multiply normally. So I'm going to show you how they do this. Here's our problem. I put them in 2 different colors for you so that way we could see the brown as the first set of numbers and the purple as the other one. Okay? So we're going to start with the brown one because that is the one in the ones place. Right here, what we did was 2 times 5, which gives us 10, plus 4 gives us 14. Now, when we go down to the second row, we always need our placeholder first. Then we can multiply like normal. Now that we have those numbers, what we can do is we're going to add them all together, as I struggle with the markers. Okay, I have 420, but I am not done yet. I need to still count my loops. So I have 1 loop here, and I have 1 loop here, which gives us a total of 2 loops, which means that in our answer, we're going to do 2 loops. Start on this side, 1, 2. My answer is 4.20 or 4.2. So on the very bottom, we're going to write, so the length of the male elephant seal is about 4 2/10 or 4.2. It says on the very bottom of page 187, what if you multiplied 2 8/10 by 1 74/100? What would the place value of the product be? And explain your answer. All they're looking for is that you would add 3 loops in your answer. So you would move 3 decimal places. Go ahead and write that in your own words. And let's skiddy on over to page 188. It says, another way, use estimation. We're not going to use estimation. No. We are just going to figure out our answer. And they already gave it to us there. They did 312 or 3.12. They're choosing to do their decimal places at the very end. Doesn't really matter. Okay, I have it all set up. Again, I'm going to be doing the first one in the brown marker. So that's the one dealing with the 8. 8 times 2 gives us 16. 8 times 1, 8 plus 1 gives us 9. 8 times 3, 24. Very first thing that I do when I go on to the second one, I put my placeholder. Now I can multiply my second row. 7 times 2 gives us 14. 7 times 1 gives us 7 plus 1 gives us 8. 7 times 3 gives us 21. Now we can add everything together. Before I do anything else with my answer, I have to make sure that I count my loops. So let's go ahead and count. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so because we have 2 in the first one, 1 on this one, 2 plus 1 gives us 3. We have to move 3 loops. So let's start over here. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 24.336. Ta-da! In today's lesson, 5th grade, you are going to be skipping number 25 and number 26. Again, number 25 and number 26. Best of luck, y'all. You got this. Panda, 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 Panda Family Productions. Hello to all my lovely 5th grade parents. Hola, todos mis padres de quinto grado. We did multiplication today. Hicimos multiplicación hoy of decimals, de decimales. So I'm going to show you guys the traditional way again. Les voy a enseñar la manera tradicional de nuevo because I think it's the easiest, porque yo creo que es lo más fácil. Here we have a problem, and the first thing that we're going to do is multiply. Aquí tenemos un problema, y la primera cosa que vamos a hacer es multiplicar. Now, here we're going to start focusing on the 2. Aquí vamos a comenzar enfocándonos en el 2. So, 2 times 6, 2 por 6, 12, 14 plus 1, 14 más 1. Then, 2 times 3 gives us 6, 2 por 3 nos da 6, más 1. There you go. Whenever we go to the second row, cuando vamos a la segunda línea, the first thing that we're going to do, la primera cosa que vamos a hacer is we're going to put a 0. Vamos a poner un 0. We do that every single time that we go on to a next number in a place value. Siempre hacemos eso cuando vamos en un valor diferente y estamos multiplicando. So now we can just multiply normally. Ahora podemos multiplicar normalmente. 1 times 6 gives us 6. Awesome. There we go. Ahí está. Now, the last step, el último paso, is that we're going to add. Vamos a agregar. And the very last step, y el último paso, is we need to count our place values. Tenemos que contar dónde vamos a poner el valor del decimal. So what we're going to do is we're going to start over here. Vamos a comenzar aquí. And we're going to count how many places there are until the decimals. Vamos a contar cuántos lugares hay hasta el decimal. I like to do loops. A mí me gusta hacer curvas, so that way they can see how many loops they have, para que puedan ver cuántas curvas tienen. So here we can count 1, 2, 3. Aquí podemos contar 3. So we're going to start over here in our answer. Vamos a comenzar aquí en la respuesta, and we're going to count 3 places. Vamos a contar 3 lugares. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, y 3. This is our answer now. Esta es la respuesta ahora. And there you go. Y ahí está. Hello, parents. As always, I am here and available for you via text message, Google Hangouts, via email, whatever way that you need to contact me, I am here and available to help. Padres, siempre estoy disponible para ustedes en texto, correo electrónico, mensaje en Google Hangout. Si necesitan algo, yo siempre estoy aquí disponible para ustedes. And for anyone who is out there watching who is not part of my normal class, if you need help with any kind of math concept or other lesson that I haven't covered yet, please drop a comment below and I would be more than willing to help you out by making a video. Y si ustedes están allí y no son parte de mi clase normal del año escolar, por favor déjame un comentario abajo y me pueden dejar saber qué tipo de tutoría o video necesitan y yo les ayudo con hacer un video. Thank you and have a great day. Gracias y que tengan un buen día.